Hey guys, Happy New Year! It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. And today I'm going to share with you that since it's a new year, I'm going to be creating monthly video series. And I'm going to be doing them mostly during the week, but I will do a few on the weekends here and there. Just depends on my schedule and where I'm at. And some of them I can't talk. Some of them I'm going to be doing Facebook Live. Others I'm going to be doing directly on YouTube, and then I'll copy and paste it to Facebook. I'm trying a new format here to see like what gets more likes, what gets more reactions, and I'm just trying to build my brand and just kind of create some excitement and just create more awareness about the skin, because 2018 is something that I just totally lost my train of thought. 2018 is going to be a great year. But the other thing I want to do is this year I want to help people take control of your skin. I want to create awareness. This is my goal. By the end of 2018, this is what's going to happen. There's so many people out there that are struggling with problem skin. They've tried multiple solutions. They've seen doctor after doctor. They've tried medications and topicals and different sorts of treatments, yet they're still suffering with the same skin problems. Why? Because a lot of the skin problems can be stemming from inside the body, or it could be what you're putting on your skin. There's so many different factors. So my goal for 2018 is to create awareness and also to educate you about how to properly take care of your skin. Because if you're taking care of your skin and your body the right way, your skin's gonna look and feel good. And this goes to both men and women. Men deserve to have good skin as well. And especially with the competitiveness of these young millennials coming out of school, older men need to take care of their skin even more to maintain their youth. I mean, men are lucky. They have oily skin and they age slower than women. Right there, you guys got it going on for you. So thankfully you have that. But you also need to take care of your skin. I mean, ladies, how many men that you know of wash their face with bar soap and don't do anything else? It's becoming a problem. So men need to take care of their skin too. They just don't know how to. They need somebody to guide them and educate them and help them. So that is going to be the goal of mine for 2018. And the last thing that I want to do in 2018 is I want to make it so you make smart skincare purchases. Because how many of you go in your bathroom, you look in your cabinet, and you've got so many different products? Are you even using some of them? You probably buy it, use it once or twice, and then what happens? You stop using it because it either feels gross or you don't like the way it smells or it just doesn't work for your skin, so you stop using it. So if you understand your skin, if you understand how to take care of it inside and out, you will stop wasting money buying products that aren't going to work for you. And again, this goes for men, this goes for women. So what I'm going to be doing in the month of January is I'm going to be targeting my videos for men's skincare, because I just read this really fascinating article in one of my trade magazines. 50% of spa-goers are male clients. So what does that mean? Men are interested in skincare. Men want to take care of their skin. They just don't want to go to some place that's like super frilly and fancy. Most of them just go to somebody in a small treatment room because it's not super popular or cool. But again, men just need guidance. So ladies, if you have a man out there who has trouble with their skin or is just washing their face with soap, send them my way, or send them to an esthetician in your area. Look for somebody that does work with male clients, because the facial is a little different, because men's skin is obviously different than women. It's just composed different. They have problems from shaving. They have problems from oil. A lot of men have very, very oily skin, and they're more prone to breakouts, and they're prone to enlarged pores. So again, let's start 2018 off to a right start. Let's get your men taken care of this year. And men, I hope you start watching my videos, because I want to help you. I want to make you look good, and I want to make you stop using bar soap, which is drying and stripping your skin and creating more oil production. So if you guys, especially for you men and ladies too, if you have any questions, I want you to comment below. Ask me your questions so I can start tailoring some videos designed specifically for men. I mean, I have a whole list up here that I can create, but I want to answer your questions about male skin. So ask away, start sending your comments below, and I will start producing some videos for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Have a great day.